Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your March monthly reading. Yes, for the month of March, this will cover your career, your health, your love, money, success, everything. So your cards are already out. Let's start. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is going to be very good for you because you're going to get notifications of everything that is being posted here. Okay. So let's see how your first week is going to be in the month of March. You've got the postulant and the chariot. First of all, Pisces, I do see you thinking about a decision. I do see it has to do with something which is at a distance or someone which is at a distance, right? So I do see that you would be traveling in the first week of March, or someone is specially traveling to come and see you. Either you are traveling or they are traveling. Also, I do see you trying to make a decision regarding something which is at a distance. It can be a job offer, it can be a study offer, higher studies offer, it can be a investment that you're planning to make, a house that you're planning to buy, right? Or traveling, or moving to another city or state. So some sort of decision that you're overthinking about, right? The cards are saying it's going to be very good for you. Whatever you're thinking, whether that's your personal life, your career, your money, your investment, it's going to move forward. This decision is going to be very good for you. So don't wait for it. Start moving. Take that decision. Okay. You're looking for an investment. You want to buy a house in different city. Do it. You want to start a relationship with somebody at a distance. Do it. You want to travel. Travel. Right. So your overall life will start moving forward, and you will start to notice the changes from the first week onwards. This is the Pisces season. This is going to be big for you. We move on to the second week. You've got the Four of Spades and the completed world. Again, yes. See, the moment you take that first step, the moment you start working, towards that goal of yours, which has been bothering you for a while, I do see that your life will start to feel complete. If money was a problem, if money was stuck, it will start to flow in. If job promotions were not happening, it will start happen, right? If there was no relationship, you were single, you will get into a relationship. If you were waiting to get married, you will get married. If you were waiting for an ex to come back and for a reconciliation to happen, that will also happen. So whatever you're thinking about, you wanted to start a new job, you will do that. You wanted to start a new business, you will do that. You want to end a job and go for higher studies, that is also possible. So whatever you're feeling, which whatever you want to make a decision about, is going to happen, and it's going to make you feel very happy, very content. It's going to give you a lot of happiness. So please go ahead and make that decision. This is going to be a big month for you. Big changes will happen, big moves will happen. Okay, the universe is supporting you in whatever decision you're trying to make. Also, I do see you in a very giving energy, in a very loving energy. It could be that your life has started getting better, so you want to help the masses, you want to help the people, right? You could be doing charity, you could be taking your family out, you could be spending money on them, you could be gifting them a lot of things. So it's a energy of giving. So the more you're getting, the more you're trying to give out to the world as well. So very good, Pisces. Coming to the third week, you've got the astronomer and the Four of Suns. Beautiful. So there is somebody who sees you as a perfect person, somebody who they can go out and party with, somebody who's good to look at, somebody who's not just uh, you know a good party person, but also a good caretaker as well. So if you will get sick, they will take care of you. So somebody sees you like that, as a perfect person, and they want to have a family with you. They want to have a relationship with you. They want to get married to you. Some of you will also be given an offer either of marriage or a relationship, or also somebody would want you to meet their families as well, or friends as well. So somebody might introduce you to their family and friends in the month of March. So be prepared, because somebody wants to take that next step with you. They see you fitting into their families. So it's a very good card. Either you are going to make that move, you have somebody on your mind, or somebody has you on their mind. So definitely a lot of big changes happening on the personal front also, where you will be introduced to family. I also see you guys celebrating something with the family. Either you're spending more time with the family, right? Or you are celebrating a small function, right? It can be birthday parties, it can be roka or engagement that you're doing, it can be the reconciliation or the new relationship. Maybe you're introducing your partner to the family. So something of that sort is happening. You're definitely celebrating something. Your home life looks good, it looks balanced. Why I'm saying again, in the last week of March, you've got the 10 of moons and the fortune's wheel. See, a sign of happy home, a sign of peace, a sign of harmony. So your personal life looks very good. Home looks peaceful. So if you had issues with your parents, your children, your siblings, your spouse, that's all going to go away. You will start to see there's a lot of peace in the house. Also because a lot of problems come from a place of financial lack. So since you're financially, you will be financially stable. Some of you could even be investing in a home, some of you could even be buying a new car, stuff like that. So whatever was missing in your life, you will be doing that in the month of March. You could be saving a lot, you could be making an investment, or you could be at least starting to think about investment, right? So if you obviously are getting the inflow, you will start to think about investment. If there's no inflow, you can't think about investment. So overall, automatically your confidence will boost. You will start to feel happy and you will want to give out to the people you love. So that is what is happening. Also, I do see that everything, every blockage that was there, every fight, every nickel bickle hurdles that were there are going to end. Why? Because a new cycle is starting from you for you. So fortune's wheel talks about endings of one karmic cycle and beginning of another cycle, a new chapter. So you will start to feel in the month of March that everything is very positive, things are going according to you. Also, it's a Pisces season, so you obviously have special attention of the universe. You will be ending a lot of things as well, right? So for example, if one job is toxic for you, you will be ending that job. If a relationship is toxic for you, you will be ending that relationship as well. If a place is toxic for you, you can just leave that place and go and settle in some other place. So I do see all that happening for you. Endings and beginnings will happen and you will start something new as well. This is a card of new beginning. This is a card of going with the flow. So whatever is coming into your life in the month of March, let it come. Whatever is going from your life, let it go. Okay, because it has to actually align with your higher purpose and what is meant for your future. So this is going to be a beautiful week for you, Pisces. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to claim the positive energies, please comment I claim this energy. Also, if you would like to book a reading with me, if you still have questions, since this is a general reading, if you have one-on-one questions like very specific questions regarding your career, love, health, family, anything, or if you are in no contact, you would want to channel your partner's current feelings, or you can also book a ritual if you think you are stuck somewhere. You can always email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or even DM me at the Moksha Tarot, my Instagram handle. Okay, the charges are very cheap, very budgeted. It will not make a hole in your pocket, and that's why it's kept like that. So take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.